I don't know if you remember that woman here. With that big smile there. I don't remember how she here, but a few years ago, she get them shoot her in a church and kill her. So, the story behind why she got killed was because she cheat her stepkids them out of them inheritance, so them father and them mother dead left. So she used to work at NCB. And the man where she married to, the man there, was have an account at NCB. So she actually know how much money him have. She know about him finances and stuff like that. She know all about him finances because she was a teller. Probably the man personal financial advisor, I don't know. But watch her now. The man where she stand up beside did married to a woman. We have our money and things, house, land, whole heap of property, a lot of investment and a lot of money. So the man, the woman, the man, your first wife, they left everything in other man your name. They have 2 kids together. So she leave everything in her name with the expectation that when she pass, the man will give them child, them kids them whatever the kids them supposed to get. You understand? Like probably one house, one car, or blah blah blah. After this man your wife dead, him first wife dead, we leave the things them to him so he can share them between the 2 kids them. This woman here and him get involved. The woman here will work a bank and him get involved. Well, after they get involved, all of the things them where the man did own, where the man previous wife did have and leave in a the man name, everything where did in a the dead wife name, this woman here now convinced the man to sell out everything where him ex-wife did have, where him dead wife did have, and put and buy new assets, new house, new properties, new business, new everything, and put it in a fair name. You see me? Few years later, this man is dead. Him never did bother if he put nothing at all in him picking them name. If he say, alright, when me dead, the son you forget this, the son you forget that. Him never bother to do that, never so smart. So after him dead now, this woman you take full control of everything. She never put it in mind, say, alright, me come see man with him picking them and the man and the picking them mother help to build this man here, to get all of these things, and the woman and him previous wife, he picking them mother dead left a bunch of stuff so that he picking them could inherit. She never look upon it that the way that she decides that she going to take everything for herself. When the man pass off, the man did have a 4-year-old son with the previous wife. The wife was dead. Shortly after the man, after this man dead, which I youth them father, this woman here now run the 14-year-old out of the house. She take full control of everything. She not give none of the man picnic them when have with him previous wife, nothing at all. She take everything for herself. Every single thing she take for herself. The big son now decides say him it nah go son, him nah go take it like that. Sunday morning she gone to church. They in a church pan a worship and thing. Bang 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 bang. Gunshot in a church. She get it. She dead in the church. Whole Jamaica, oh them wicked, them rare, you them wicked, them shouldn't kill a woman no matter what rare, blah blah blah. Me no condone violence, but I believe say she deserve it. Personally, me believe say she deserve it. You see me I say because this woman here, wicked, she licky, she red eye. She unfair. She is the definition of what a evil woman is. People must always remember this. Not everybody you can deal with on certain level all the time and get way. Some people can walk away, some people cannot have that level of self-control to walk away. You see me? If you're there with somebody and the person happened to pass off and the person did have them picnic them, do not take everything for yourself. Make certain say the picnic where person dead left, the picnic them alright too. Especially the fact that you come see the man with the picnic them, you can see man with the money and things, and plus the things them where the man dead left and what him previous wife dead left them and give them to him and then have them picnic them together. Oh dear, you take the one to take everything. You understand? I believe that she did have this plan to take this money things from day one. Seems as if she did a some side chick business. So when the man wife dead, she pushing herself. You see me? With the intention of taking over everything when this man are dead. Who to tell if I know she killed the man? Who to tell if I know she killed the man? Because immediately after the man sign over everything in a fair name, the man just dead, so something wrong, something not right. And then she decides that she a run the man picnic them out of the house, and when the picnic them realize how much house did they? None of the picnic them no get a house, none of them no get a car, none of them no get piece of land, none of them no get no money, none of them no get nothing at all. And she get everything now. And decides that she a go to church, go praise and worship. That was the only way the picnic them the picnic could have get to her. One of the son. Pay a gunman now if go kill her in a church. Because probably that are the only place them could have catch her off guard. You understand? Some people might look on you and say, no, Ramalo, you can't say that, man, you can't say she deserve it, Ray, blah, blah, blah. How would you feel if me and you there and you have your money, me have my money, you have your property, them, me have my property, them, and you happen to dead left me, dead before me, and you put everything where you're dead left, you left it with me with the intention that me I go make certain so we kids them we have together are gonna be alright. And after you dead you know, me married to a next woman, and then me sell out everything where you did dead left give me, and buy new stuff in the new wife name. And then when me dead now, you picnic them not get nothing. For me and for your picnic them not get nothing. Nobody would want this for happen to for them picnic them. You see me? So what happened now is that the youth did get arrested. This one of the big son did get arrested. Him walk away free. I don't know if I today or yesterday. I don't know which day them he got them they got caught. And them in bossy case and him get away scot-free. Scot-free. A whole heap of people on social media I say, oh, him should have rotten in a prison, him should have got prison, got dead because them wicked and all them go kill a woman in a church and rare, blah, blah. That was the only place they could have catch her off guard. You see me? She is a wicked woman. She take everything for herself. Everything. And she never help the man work. And the man wife work to get them. And she take everything. And the people they have them pick me and she not try to say, alright. So one $2 million you go start life. So one $3 million you go start life. So one house yeah, and see $1 million you go start life. Not Natasha, she take everything for herself. And she never work for it. Come on, man. She deserve it. Me glad say the youth bossy case and get to it. Bless up on herself.